The Deutsche Werkbund, 1898 to 1927. Introduction. The Deutsche Werkbund was one of the most influential design history movements in modern. It was established in 1907 in Germany. It was aimed to merge art, craft, and industry to enhance product quality and aesthetics. 1898 to 1914. By the 19th century, Germany had emerged as a major industrial power. Their factories produced goods efficiently. Their design quality was often seen as inferior to British products. A key influence was the British arts and craft movement, which is led by William Morris, which make a point of handcrafted goods. But German thinkers like Hermann believed that rather than rejecting industrialization, the Deutsche Werkbund, founded in Munich, was officially in 1907 by a group of architects, designers, and industrialists. Hermann Muthesius, Theodor Fischer, Peter Behrens, Joseph Hoffmann, Henry van de Velde, Max Luger, Richard Rimmerschmid, Albert Neimer, J.M. Albrecht, Bruno Paul, J.J. Scarvel-Gel, Friedrich Schumacher. Their goal was to improve German industrial production by combining craftsmanship and modern manufacturing. The Werkbund promoted a junctional and aesthetic approach to design by architecture, encouraging simple, well-proportioned buildings. Furniture design, promoting practical and elegant form. Corporate identity, working with companies like AEG, Allgemeine Elektrizitätsgesellschaft, where Peter Behrens, German architect, created the modern corporate brand identity. Peter's turbine factory embodied a monumental industrial aesthetic, merging function and artistic vision. The concept of certificate became a defining principle, advocating for simplicity, functionality, and clarity. Behrens favored an Delist Rigel inspired controller on form, emphasizing style over purely functional consideration. In 1914, the Werkbund held its first major exhibition in Cologne, showcasing modern German design. The exhibition also revealed a major ideological divide. Hermann argued for standardization, believing that industrial design should follow universal principles for efficiency. Penry defended artistic individualism, fearing that standardization would limit creativity. This debate point is to future conflicts between functionalist and expressionist, which would later influence Bauhaus and modernist architecture.
The outbreak of World War I that come to a stop many of the Werkbund's activities. The war also strengthened the need for efficient industrial production, strengthening muthesius agreement for stabilization. Many of members from Werkbund were served to World War I, but some of people were continued to designing for wartime industries. After World War I, Germany faced severe economic and political instabilities, including hyperinflation and the Trade of Versailles. The form adopted by promoting practical and affordable designs. Post-war reconstruction. A major development was found the Bauhaus schools in 1990 by Walter Gropius, emphasized functionality or ornamentation over integrated architecture, furniture, and graphic design into holistic appearance. Many of peoples like Vance, Roy, Marcel Braves, etc. played a crucial role in Bauhaus development. This exhibition featured modernistic houses designed by Le Corbusier, Walter Gropius, Hans Schuran, J.J. Paud. The Weissenhoy realistic embodied Bourbon's ideas, architecture with clear lines and flat roofs, standardized prefabricated materials to reduce costs, functional interior layout optimized for modern living. This exhibition hardens the Bourbon's role in shaping modernist architecture and influenced the development of international styles.
Although the Werkbund's peak influence ended in 1920s, its principles shaped global design movements. They are the Bauhaus, Internationalist, Scandinavian functionalism. The Werkbund's significance on industrial collaboration and functionalism became central to modernist architecture, product design, and graphic design. One of the Werkbund's most important legacies is corporate branding and industrial design. Werkbund's designer Peter Behrens began corporate identity at AEG, then later branding strategies were used by USA. His approach to consist typography, packaging, and product design became the foundation of modern corporate branding. Even nowadays, Werkbund ideals principles are observable in minimalist architecture, Japanese contemporary design, sustainable modular housing, user-friendly technology. Conclusion. The Deutsche Werkbund was a transformative movement that bridged traditional craftsmanship and industrial production. Inspired by figures like Gottfried Semper and Hermann Muthesius, it sought to elevate German craftsmanship and compete globally through high-quality standardized products. The Werkbund's evolution reflected tension between artistic individualism, represented by figures like Henry van Dy and Muthesius' push for typification and mass production. Behrens' work from AEG symbolized the fusion of industry and art, influencing future modernist architects like Walter Gropius. The Werkbund's direction shifted with World War I, becoming more nationalistic and nostalgic. Despite internal conflicts, the Werkbund laid the foundation for modern industrial design, bridging traditional craftsmanship and mass production in a way that continues to shape contemporary aesthetics. Today, the principles of efficiency, clarity, and industrial aesthetic continue to shape the design world, proving that the Werkbund's vision remains as relevant as ever.